Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable spell check in Opera GX. For example, if you have written anything wrong on any website page, so it will not be highlighted. For example, I have put some word here. You can see that I have written the wonderful effort, my friend, but it does not underline for the spell check. So how you can enable that? It's very simple and very easy. What you have to do, so first you need to open the Opera GX, and on the left side menu bar click on the settings and then scroll down and here you can see that the spell check. So it is mentioned that check for spelling errors when you type text on web pages. Just turn on this toggle bar and boom. So now this website has mentioned that these two words have wrong spelling. You need to just click on that and right click and make it spell check and correct the words. Moreover, you can also customize spell check. Click on this arrow and you can add some word. For example, if you want to put your name like me, Ahmad, Ahmad, and add words. Now the browser will not highlight this word, so if you have a list of words you can easily put here, so these words will not be highlighted by the Opera GX. So this is very simple and very easy. I hope you understand now what is the purpose of spell check, and if you think this video is supportive, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.